Last time on Cocktail Wars.
Thirsty as shit.
Oh shit! Hey! Hey, turn!
Now our epic saga continues.
Helicopter! Helicopter!
Hello everyone and welcome back to Cocktail Wars! We're here in the third episode and oh, it's good to be back. You've all been voting and it is going to be the Piña Colada! So, what we're going to do today, I'm very happy to be back. Hey, who are you? What are you doing?
It's over.
Hey, it's my birthday!
Happy birthday, go fuck yourself.
Excellent show. I would just like to ask a small question. Nothing serious. Just wondering, where is the skinny bitch? Everyone knows it's the best cocktail. The only reason it is out of the competition is because you are too afraid to make it. Because it for sure wouldn't lose a fan vote. Where the fuck is the skinny bitch? The best tasting cocktail in the world!
Due to excessive force and violence, the skinny bitch will be featured in the next episode. Due to popular demand, the skinny bitch will be featured tomorrow. It will be featured today.
Excellent.
Hey yo Griffy, drop that beat.
Skinny bitch is basically just a shortcut to get wasted. It is made out of half vodka, half carbonated water. Put some ice in there, put some lime in there, you're done.
Oh, I could really use a holiday right now.
I might, no. Just a thing. If you like Piña Coladas, getting on in the rain. The Piña Colada is one of the big four tiki cocktails. It's fairly easy to make actually. Some people make it with a blender, but we don't, because we at Ostrava believe that you should be able to make a cocktail everywhere, anywhere, at any time. So, we're just gonna blend it in one of those cocktail shakers. And the way we're gonna do it, you take your Boston shaker, and first you'll take, as with all tiki cocktails, it's based on rum. So you're gonna take 2 shots of rum, or 60 mils. Now, as your spirit base is done, then you're gonna really have to look at the name. Piña, in Piña Colada, that stands for pineapple. So what you're gonna do, you should take 3 shots of pineapple juice, or for you Europeans out there, 90 mils. Alright, so now we have covered the piña part, but there's still something more to Piña Colada, and that thing is being colada. That means coconuts, so you're gonna take some coconut milk, and you need like half of what you just did with pineapple, so 1.5 shots, or 45 mils. Now, in the Caribbean regions where this beautiful stuff all originates from, it's usually very warm. So really to be a good guy, gotta take some ice. Gotta help out all of those guys who are just sweating, almost dying of the thirst they got, the heat. So you pour it full of ice. Give that Boston shaker a good wedge. Start shaking it. Shaking it real nice, because this stuff has got to dilute the ice. Really makes a lot of a better cocktail because it's not as strong, that helps. And also it makes it all very cold, which is great. And then simply, you just take the glass, pour it all in there. And then, to really finish this beautiful drink off, gotta take an actual one or two if you're feeling nice, 2 pieces of this good stuff, these pineapples, and just pour them in there. And that's how you make fan favorite pina colada.
Nice, man.
Better than popular demand.
What is this? Whoa, that's really good, yeah.
Oh, is that the pina colada? The winner? Yeah, this is one of the 3 that's gonna be in the finale. You know what that means? That's a secret. It means that you can vote for your favorite cocktail. And the winner will be the welcoming drink of the next party. So go ahead and vote for your favorite cocktail. It's either gonna be the pina colada, the margarita, or the daiquiri. Vote at austria.com and then 2021 party. So, I see you next time on Cocktail Wars. Cheers guys, happy voting. It's a wrap! Oh man, that's fucking shit.
Go now, adventurers, to www.austria.com to do, stuff.
Yeah. And we're also selling shirts now, so you can get yours too. Last summer, when I was in the city, I saw everyone was wearing a shirt. So if you're buying a shirt anyway, why not buy one from us?
Also, subscribe to this channel now. For all YouTube channels, subscribing is free. But here it is only 99 cents. That's what I call a fucking bargain.